Hey folks, our very first dinner on Margaritaville Islander. We're at the Finn's restaurant. So this is down on deck 2. Up on deck 3, we've got the Islander. It's the exact same menu. So these are just 2 main dining rooms, one above the other. But this is the Finn's. Absolutely beautiful in here. I'm gonna have to walk around and get some footage for you guys. But so far, it has been great. We've already met some new friends. So we're sitting here in the main dining room, actually right up near the front. So it's about 7 something. Let's see what we're gonna have for dinner tonight. So this is the very first time the ship has sailed with people. The crew is excited, the company is excited. They just brought us a glass of champagne. So what do you do when they offer you champagne at the table? Yes.
You take it.
Cheers everybody to the Margaritaville Islander. We're on a cruise. Happy cruise everybody. So I got the Cuban croquettes, which I was expecting like little balls of ham and cheese and whatnot. But it looks like mozzarella fingers. It's kind of what it looks like when it came out. Now I will say the service took a while to get going, but this crew has literally only been on the ship for a week. So everybody back in the kitchen, they're learning the whole system. The servers, they're learning the system. So yes, the meal is taking a little bit longer than it should, but everybody is learning. So we knew that coming in. But the Cuban croquettes, not bad. That's what it looks like. More like a ground ham kind of a thing, but it's not bad. Not bad. In fact, I think I'm just going to go finger food on it, and I should have a little tortilla soup coming as well. But the Cuban croquette, not bad. Rebecca went with a Caesar salad. She said, not bad. Like not the best, not the worst, but it's a Caesar salad. And then one of our table mates got a beautiful little watermelon and feta salad. It's basically a watermelon salad with a little fleck of feta on. How is it?
Very good.
It's very good. So what do you need with an appetizer? A second appetizer. Thank you. Now because I'm trying to sample as much as I can while we're on board, I also asked them to bring me out a little tortilla soup. It looks very pretty. Tortilla soup. This is another appetizer. Well, number one, it's almost cold. Not very hot. Should be hotter than that. The flavor, however, is actually not bad. It's not a bad flavor. However, it's basically cold. I'm not going to get mad about it because, again, they're all learning the system back there. However, they should be able to bring out a hot soup. That should be easy to do. But you know what? They're learning. The flavor, however, the flavor is actually quite good. And you know what I'm going to do? Oh, my God.
Idea.
I got my little croquette. I'm going to dunk this baby in there. I just gave some to our table mate over there. That'll be fun. Hey.
Warmed up the soup.
Nothing warmed up the soup. So, get yourself a Cuban croquette and order the tortilla salad and dunk them. Yes. Main courses are out. I got fish. I don't remember what the fish was. I forgot to take a picture of the menu. But I got I believe it's a citrus style fish. And then I also asked them to bring out a side of gnocchis, which almost looks like they're fried. They've got breading on them, or maybe it's just the sauce. Gnocchi with an arrabbiata sauce, which is supposed to be spicy. But it has a spice to it, I'll give it that. Not the best flavor, but honestly not bad. There is actually a spice to the arrabbiata, which is kind of surprising. Okay, now this, I believe it's almost like a citrus fish. I should have taken a picture of the menu and I totally forgot, I'm sorry. It's kind of like a citrus fish. Not my favorite. It's a very oily fish. It's got a very strong fish flavor to it. Not a mild, like a white fish. I'm gonna admit it's not my favorite. Not my favorite thing, but I wanted to try it. So, I can't remember what the fish is, but I'm going to skip that. Rebecca got, what'd you get? Garlic shrimp, pretty good. So I'm going to eat what was underneath the fish, which is kind of like almost like a succotash underneath there. I'm going to eat that though. That's good. And finally for dessert, we've got like a cappuccino frozen pie. I guess it's almost like an ice cream cake or something. Oh, icebox. Cappuccino icebox pie is what it's called. And I mean, we got coffee, we got basically ice cream, and she just said, oh yeah.
It's good.
Oh, that's good. Oh, that's really good. And it's got this fun little spun sugar on it too. How fun is that? That's a really good dessert. Very, very rich. It's almost like a chocolate mousse. It's got the cappuccino in there. Oh, that is really, really good. So see, you never know, right? So the meal's been a little bit up and down. This is literally their first service. We are the first people on the ship. This is their very first service. Overall, the flavors were pretty good tonight. Just that fish was a miss for me. But my God, what a dessert. Oh, that is a nice finish. So if you see cappuccino icebox pie or whatever this is, get it. Unless you don't like coffee, and then you're weird. But if you like coffee, definitely get this. So hey, first night on the Margaritaville Islander. We are literally the first people having dinner on the Margaritaville Islander. I say it was a commendable job. It's going to get better. I bet if we come on this ship in 2 weeks, it's going to be a completely different experience in here. So cheers, everybody, from Fins. Fins up!